Hello everyone, welcome to this course. My name is Neeraj Pradhan, a member of Bhutan Tech community. Thank you for taking an interest into learning JavaScript. I hope we fulfill your expectations from this course as we go through. So let's begin. First of all, I'm very much excited to teach this course on behalf of BTC because JavaScript is a very fun topic to teach and we can do pretty much cool things with it. This course will cover everything about JavaScript from basics up to some pretty complex projects. So let me give you a rough overview of how this course is planned. It is divided into three distinct sections. The first section is about the very basic concepts of JavaScript for beginners, starting from very basic topics like setting up variables and data types, logics and loops, to more complex topics like DOM manipulation, events, etc. The second section are for those who are very familiar with the basics and want to learn the new features and functionality of JavaScript like arrow functions, this keyword, debugging, promises, etc. The last section will focus exclusively on projects. These projects include lots of new topics like Node or Express or creating your own database. Lots of fun things will come up as we go through this course, but there is a distinction. So to take this course, you have a couple different options. If you are a complete beginner and you don't really know JavaScript, then start at the very beginning. Start with the basics, make your way through all the sections and become an expert yourself with the projects. If you are someone with knowledge of JavaScript but lacks some new concepts of arrow functions and promises, etc., then start with the second section. And if you are up to date with JavaScript, then what you could do is jump directly into projects and start building something. And if you take up the last section and do happen to get confused with the new concepts, you can just go back to the second part of the course and review the parts you need to. For anyone who is interested in JavaScript, whether you are a complete beginner or an intermediate learner, or you are just looking to build projects, there's something here for you in this course. So follow us every week as we will be uploading 2 to 3 videos a week and keep yourself updated.